Hayden's got the trimmer. Goes over 20 miles an hour. Nothing but the best. Forget about the rest. You got to keep it out of the snow though, folks, so don't get wet on that little battery. Well, he's drying it off right now with the heat of the engine. It's called the trimmer. No! Back it up. No, stop. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. No, just pick it up. God, okay. Now, let me see it. Let me see it.
Fine. What if we just run it a little bit on the side? Let's just run it. It needs to get that gas in it.
Hayden, don't do that again. It's not fine. Keep it out of the snow. Let's go, bro. Keep it out of the snow. It's not fine. How do you save yourself? Did you have a good Christmas this year?
Yeah, it is.
You did?
I got all that I wanted.
What do you like the best? The stilts?
This.
The race cars? Then what? Your
I like spinning the rock.
Dance 14 after that?
No, not Dance 14.
What is it? Just Dance 2014?
No, Just Dance 4.
Just Dance 4, folks. Okay, say over and out. Say Merry Christmas to everyone.
Merry Christmas and 1, 2.
Yahoo! Say bye-bye.
Bye.